If you're a Cardano lover and you follow Cardano news closely, one thing might have struck you. Is Cardano undervalued? I mean, with all its proof-of-stake consensus protocol, low transaction costs, and now available on Coinbase, you might wonder if it's really worth its current value, or it should be more. Well, you're not the only one concerned about this. Let's find out. Now, before we start, make sure you subscribe to Crypto Academy for your daily dose of crypto news, and also turn on bell notifications so you'll be notified when we upload, since YouTube doesn't always recommend videos of people you're subscribed to. Also, leave a like on this video so we know if we should make similar videos. Having said that, let us get right into the video. Not long ago, Cardano was added by Coinbase Pro to its list of supported altcoins. The price of ADA, the currency of Cardano Network, experienced an immediate leap of 40% as more and more traders jumped on board. The prices, however, have since pulled back from the $1.48 peak. However, do not mistake Cardano for a flash in the pan. It is already among the most technologically advanced cryptos in the market globally. Although the crypto coin still has a long way to go, its newfound price strength provides its developers with ammunition to go after Ethereum and Bitcoin's dominance. It is now time to buy the dip and hang on tight. According to investingcube.com, Cardano has been struggling for direction lately. The ADA price has been around $1.1875 for the past few days. Its market cap is at $37 billion, making it the fifth biggest cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Tether. You could be wondering, what's happening to Cardano? Cardano's price has reacted mildly to the recent positive news from the network. Last week, the developers announced that the next upgrade, known as Alonzo, will have a smart contracts feature, enabling developers to build decentralized applications. This testnet will launch between late April and early May. The price of Cardano has not experienced a major movement lately, remaining at the same level as the 15-day and 25-day exponential moving averages. The measure of volatility, the average true range (ATR), has dropped to its lowest since 12th March. This could be a sign of the calm before the storm, meaning that the currency could be gearing towards its next big breakout. At the same time, it's hard to say at this point the direction in which the currency will break out. Moving on, Cardano is on the verge of a massive technical breakout as the European session is ushered in on Monday, according to fxstreet.com. The aspiring smart contract token has been in consolidation for several days. The sideways trading arrived after Cardano bulls secured support above $1. So, what is likely to happen if the technical breakout materializes? If this happens, ADA will be elevated more than 55% to new record highs, marginally above $1.8. Elsewhere, there are more exciting news where some experts believe that Ethereum might now have a formidable rival in the sector of smart contracts this summer, after Ethereum experienced years of domination. Cardano is set to integrate the Alonzo testnet as early as next month, finally allowing developers to create smart contracts on the network, and setting up to seriously challenge Ethereum for the Gaddy, according to zycrypto.com. Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of IOHK and the founder of Cardano, updated the community on recent developments during Cardano 360, a monthly event that allows the development team to reveal the progress made in the previous month and what the future holds. Speaking to the Cardano community, Hoskinson indicated that an Alonzo testnet will be launched at the end of April or in early May. Well, what does this mean for the Cardano community? According to Hoskinson, this means that for the first time ever publicly, people will be able to write smart contracts and deploy them on Cardano. Meanwhile, it's not a secret that Cardano intends to unseat Ethereum as the most favored blockchain network. While Bitcoin is still the most valuable crypto asset, Ethereum is king when it comes to apps running on its network. Hoskinson has been leading this march towards unseating Ethereum, despite having been one of the founders alongside Vitalik Buterin. Hoskinson is reported to have heavily criticized Ethereum recently, citing that it's controlled by a few elites who benefit at the expense of everyone else. Could Cardano with smart contracts be the game changer? Certainly, Cardano is set to seriously challenge its much larger rival. How will it achieve this, though? First, Cardano could take up a big bite of the booming DeFi sector. Ethereum has reigned in the DeFi sector for as long as it's been hosting other major DeFi platforms. Binance Smart Chain has been coming up as well, but it still pales in comparison. DeFi platforms choose Ethereum because of its smart contracts, which act as the foundation of DeFi that allow the automated exchange of value without a central entity. However, Ethereum features its own problems that limit DeFi platforms, the biggest hurdle being the fees, which make them inaccessible to most. This is where Cardano comes with promises to turn this game on its head, facilitating the same transactions Ethereum would have but for mere pennies. For example, on platforms like Uniswap, it would cost a user $9.7 to do a swap today. But if the platform moved to Cardano, it would cost less than a cent to conduct the same transaction. This is certainly such great news to the Cardano community. In other exciting news, Cardano is now getting attention from its negotiations with major non-fungible token, or NFT, platforms. Cardano's founder shared his interest in non-fungible tokens via his latest livestream, sharing ideas that will matter. What does this mean to the Cardano community? As NFTs continue to gather global attention in crypto and mainstream media, the integration of NFT capabilities could prove attractive for developers and content creators to move to the Ethereum competitor at a time when its next hard fork continues to approach. Hoskinson further indicated that he has been testing different NFT platforms running in networks like EOS and Algorand to get an idea of the different approaches and technical aspects of NFT. Moreover, the Cardano Network is set to undergo a hard fork in the next few months to allow developers to deploy their decentralized applications after it unveiled Smart Contracts Timeline, pushing ADA. Hoskinson hit the headlines again after publicly revealing the official roadmap of the upcoming Alonzo upgrade. The new protocol update will come in the form of a hard fork around July or August, bringing smart contracts to the Cardano blockchain. This is good news to developers, as they would be able to deploy their decentralized applications on the network when the testnet would launch. However, there could be some little major resistance ahead. 1. Into the Blocks in/out of the money around price IOMAP model reveals that there is no supply barrier that will prevent Cardano from achieving its upside potential. Based on this on-chain metric, there is only one small interest area between $1.25 and $1.28, where roughly 51,000 addresses hold over 1.4 billion ADA. The supply wall may have the ability to absorb some of the buying pressure seen recently. This means that even holders who may have been underwater may try to break even on their positions, slowing the uptrend. But this doesn't mean Cardano is doomed. If it can slice through this hurdle, it would likely retest the all-time high at $1.50. And that was it for today's video. Please like this video so we know if we should make more similar videos. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications if you haven't already, so you can stay up to date with the most important crypto news. And we'll see you tomorrow in another video. Take care.